Hi, this is John from Explore Elevated, and this is the Explore Elevated truck top camper. The major feature that sets this camper apart is the fact that it has integrated locks that tie directly into the factory locking and unlocking. And so you can see here, if we have the truck locked, the camper doesn't open, but with a simple unlock, it's a seamless integration into the factory locking system. So this is a full aluminum construction. It's also super fast to set up. We have these nice machined latches, and it just sets itself right up like that. It has MOLLE panels along all of the doors, and then the back, and along all the tracks. Also, the tracks themselves are wire chases, so you can run all your wires or airline without worrying about having it seen, and also kind of protecting a little bit back there. An option with this cap is to have the ability to add these Baja Designs or Heretic dome lights, both red and white, or red or white. And that is an upgrade, but the features, the standard features are really great on this. So the back door can either be this acrylic window, or it can be a solid panel. If it is a solid panel, it's the same. It's like the doors over here. Also, the front of the camper is a tip down sliding glass, so slide, but also you can tip it down so you can make sure you can clean both inside and outside, keeping everything looking good. Okay, so we moved over to the other truck here to show one of the new design features, and that is when your bed is down, these MOLLE panels now have an assisted gas strut, so it's very easy to get up and down. You can close them both down, or open up one and not disturb the person next to you and access the top of the bed. And it also does come with this 4-inch foam mattress with dual valves on it, and it inflates really quick. To access more of the hangout mode, you can just slide this forward, move the bed. Now you have this giant cavernous space to be able to hang out. The tent itself is a heavy marine grade canvas. Another great feature is that the actual solid doors are on the inside, so you can adjust the airflow and ventilation however you want to without having to open it back up and letting all the bugs and whatnot in. And the ventilation for a Wedge camper is amazing because it does have the giant front window, as well as these windows down here that allow great cross ventilation regardless on which direction the wind's blowing. Another option is the honeycomb translucent panel can be tinted, so it has a blackout feature. If you don't want to be woken up by the early morning sun, it's going to be similar to the way this the white clear that the lower panel is made out of here. All of the framing components, like I said, there's internal wire chases. Those are accessed through panels, so you can have wires coming up, and there's also these removable panels that allow you to add accessories such as, like I guess over here, like a 12 volt or a USB. And you can see all the wires can run up behind, keeping everything up and out of the way. So the MOLLE on the doors is actually super useful because it can be accessed from the inside or the outside. And another great feature is it's really designed to be inside of and get out of and like live inside and outside of the space. So you can open up the hatch from the inside with a simple panel and close it down just as easily to, you know, bunker down and hang out when you don't want to have everything open. Although even with the doors and windows all the way open, it's great. Unless the rain's coming sideways, you stay high and dry up in here. So another option is, while this camper specifically has the slide forward panel, another option is that you can actually have this be a assisted lift pivot with gas struts. And so the panel itself would just come up like this as opposed to having to slide it forward. So it's a lot faster. There's no cost to that upgrade, or that change rather. So the body of the camper itself is available in pretty much any color you can think of. This is just one small section of all the different kind of powder coats. And the tent body is available in gray, blue, and green. And again, this is this really heavy duty marine canvas. So this has been a very rugged product to keep the weather out. So if you want to find out more information about these, go ahead and you can go to exploreelevated.com and get all the extra details and specifications.